This new product is LS25Li Easy Charging Electric Roller Blinds. This is the whole set. 25mm tubular motor. 2 covers. Remote control. Aluminum alloy shell. Battery wand. This motor is 1.1 Nm. Max load is 4 kg. The aluminum is durable and wear resistant. Support custom length. The longest can be made 2 m. Battery capacity is 2550 mAh. Charge once lasts for half a year. Easy to install and disassemble. The battery supports mobile phone Type-C cable charging. Manual pull sisal function. Pull once it will start. Pull again to stop. Pull 3 times to close the blinds. 3-speed function. Precise percentage control function.